Hey guys, it's Jerry with TechToyTV, and today I'm going to show you a useful tool that you can use for your DSLR camera. It's called the LensShifter. Stay tuned. TechToyTV. We've got both LensShifters here. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. So you have your directions there for showing how to install this on your camera. You have the LensShifter itself, which this is the gray version. And you see it's just the gray ball at the top and then the strap here on the bottom. And we have the counterweight that you snap on to the band. All right, so in case some of you are wondering, the balanced counterweight is used to stabilize lenses that have a loose focus or zoom ring. Basically, it balances the weight of the LensShifter handle and it keeps your shot in focus even if you move around. But I did want to show how easy it is to add this to the LensShifter in case you were wondering. You see here, there's a groove on the counterweight, and then there's the belt here. There's some little teeth in there that will hold the belt and it'll keep it there safely. And the second one is basically the same exact thing, except for there is a red and blue, again, instructions, two counterweights, and then we have the red and blue LensShifters here. These are the revised LensShifters. The previous models would be the entire color, so this would be all gray, red, or blue. These, it's just the knobs here on the top, and it lets it be a little bit less noticeable, and realistically, you probably only need the knob here to be able to look really quick to see what you're controlling on your camera. All right, so now that we've unboxed these, let's install these on the camera so you can see how they look and how they function. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to install the LensShifter onto your DSLR, and we're just gonna go from there. So the first step, you need to twist this counterclockwise to loosen. All right, so we loosened it. We are going to fit it here on the zoom first. As you're gonna tighten it clockwise. All right, that feels tight to me. So you can see here, that's gonna allow you to do the focus very easily with just the turn. A lot easier than actually holding onto the lens and turning here. All right, so let's do the focus ring, which is here next. So we're gonna take this here again. We are going to turn. You get the gist here of being able to control both very easily with the stick. And this is the final look when it's mounted to the camera. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about the LensShifter. It's a standalone follow focus and rack mount, perfect for photographers, videographers, content creators, or anyone who wants an inexpensive way to have a focus pull. The LensShifter will fit any lens from 56mm to 90mm. As you saw, it's super simple to install, and it's just an all-around great tool for content creators to have a simple, easy way to adjust focus or zoom on their camera. So that's our look at LensShifter. It's an inexpensive yet very useful tool for your DSLR camera. If you'd like more information about LensShifter, there's a link down in the description below, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching and checking out TechToyTV. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to share and hit that like button. To stay in the loop for future videos, click the subscribe button. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Till next time.